parece una bola flotando.
So he pees in the water then, or it just makes him pee? So how did you learn that it makes them pee?
It was an accident.
So he once fell into the water and then he peed, or?
Yeah, there he goes.
Oh yeah. Wow, so his belly's gonna...
Watch it. I wish we could lose weight this fast.
Yeah. Wow. So he looks sort of content.
Yeah, he is. But he's heavy.
Whoa.
He's definitely like 30 or 40 kilos. A big quake.
That's amazing.
Here's all that water.
Well, I hope the plants like it.
Oh, I don't know. They haven't died yet. That hurts. Please don't do that anymore. One way to water the garden. There, it's done. Now he's gonna poop. See how flat he is now?
He is, definitely. He's lost about half his size.
I know.
Well, he's doing it very quickly for his for his doing. Poor thing.
Thank you. He finally released that pressure on my finger. It was hurting. Here it comes. Here comes Ebola. See it?
Nope.
Really big. For the drum roll.
Yeah, it is gonna. Wow, yeah. Whew.
There it comes. Past the baby.
Whoa. That must be a real relief. So this is 8 days?
Yeah,
Whoa.
8 days.
Okay. Wow. Whew. He must feel so light and comfortable afterwards.
Yeah, I know. Okay, that's it. Okay. I can break up this glob of Defico. That's good fertilizer though, for the garden.
He's going for the pond.
Yeah. They swim by themselves, by nature.
Okay.
That's how they get from one island to another island. That's why you can find sloths on the island.
Yeah, that makes sense.